When you arrive into Quito airport and the first thing you think of is you need a phone signal, you need a SIM card, it is so simple. This is the arrivals hall. This airport is very small, and to get a SIM card is so simple. Also, already that's from the exit of the arrivals hall. That's me now exiting the airport. Right up behind me there, I don't know if you can make it out. Oh, just there. The Quito Airport Centre. Now, I've made this video at the end of my trip because I wanted to make sure that it all worked and I got value for money. So when you exit, simply cross the road. It's quite hard work getting across the road. To be fair here, there are kind of a different way of drivers here. So then, making your way into the airport centre, you will find a little booth. It's blue in colour, and you ask for your $25 SIM card. The lady puts it in her phone for you. In her phone? No, in your phone for you. She sets it all up for you. So WhatsApp is free of charge. Spotify is also free of charge. And you get, for $25, you get 11.5 gigs of data. My phone works fine in the Galapagos. You have to remember that when you're out on a boat somewhere, you're not going to get a signal, or when you're in the highlands of one of the islands, you're not going to get a signal. But in the towns, it worked great. All free of charge for the WhatsApp, which is brilliant. And I was sending a lot of photographs on WhatsApp, and I did not get charged. I spent 8 days on the islands, and I only used 1 gig of data. I'm just coming up behind me. I tried to do it discreetly. Just there. That's your little booth where you will get your SIM card. Okay. It took maybe 25 minutes to do it because, to be fair, she didn't seem very enthusiastic. But like I say, it worked great. I came home with 10 and a bit gigs of data left, and while you are in Santa Cruz, all the bars and the restaurants, they all offer you the Wi-Fi. So by the time you've finished your week there, you're just walking down the street, automatically connecting to everybody's Wi-Fi anyway. So, but if you are going to be stuck and you need a SIM card, you can't tear yourself away from the internet for a week, I would highly recommend this company here. They worked great. You get a little app from your app store, and you can just punch that and it tells you how much data you've got left. I didn't add anything to it. You got 230 minutes, something like 200 texts as well, but I didn't use them because I was Facebook messaging and WhatsApping everybody. So if you're in need of a SIM card, that's what you can do.